Hi everybody, I'm Nora, and today we are going to be painting a chalkboard that has, it's wood, and it just has a little wood strip around it, has a little design on the edge, and we're going to be making it into a nice cute little design. And you may be like, why don't you have it, why aren't you showing it? And that is because I didn't like my starting footage, so I had to go back, refilm it, but here it is. I hope you enjoy. Let's go on to the video. So here I'm just going to start with some tape and just go around the edges. That way I make sure that nothing gets on my chalkboard or on the yarn. Now I'm going to take some red paint that I have, and I'm going to struggle to open it, and then I'm going to start going around the edges as like a borderline and kind of see how that looks. Then I figured out that I kind of hate it. It looked ugly. It was not very clean. So I'm going to take my white that I have, and I'm just going to go over it and put kind of starting like a base coat, which I didn't think I really needed because it was wood, but I'm now deciding that I need because I hated this red color. Now I have this like bubblegum pink color that I use with mixing white and pink together. I'm gonna awkwardly splash it on. I don't know what I was doing, but I'm gonna put it on as like a background color. And then once that was all dry, I'm gonna take my Poscas. I'm gonna choose blue and yellow for this particular design. I'm gonna start with blue, and I'm going to make little dots everywhere to make a cute design. Then just about here, I started pushing down kind of hard because I didn't like how small the little dots were. So I started pushing down a lot until I got about here, and it started globbing out like a lot, and it was really messy. And later I went back and fixed it up, so it looked a little better, but not really. Then I came back with like some touch-ups. I think I went a little overboard, but I just went up with some touch-ups to add a little in spaces that looked a little blank. Now I'm going in with some yellow lines that look a lot like sprinkles, just to add a little variety to the shapes. And right now, if you hear some extra noise, there's just stuff going outside of my room. I still live in my house, so it's kind of loud sometimes. So just excuse the noise. Hello, and I'm back. So it was a pretty simple design, but I actually really liked it. I hope you guys did too. And I will be posting every Wednesday, so I hope to see you then. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below.